Well, hello to everybody. Stan Dale, president of Florida SunCoast. Hope you're well this evening. Hey, here we are in the middle of this torrid heat wave. It's crazy, and I guess we're glad we're not further north because they're warmer than we are. So, but it's not slowing us down. We got a lot on the calendar, a lot of things going. We're pumping it right through the whole month of July. And here we go. So let me talk about this first. Coming up on the 15th, we have their St. Pete Clearwater. That's a Wednesday evening dinner meeting. So take a look at that on the RSVPs and the events down below. On the 16th, we have the Florida SunCoast and the ZSCCA luncheon on Thursday. On the 18th, Fort Myers Cars and Coffee. So don't be late. Come on out and join us there. On the 22nd, Pensacola Meet and Eat. Let us welcome Pensacola back online. Bob's taking over out there, first event out there. We know it may not draw a lot of folks on the first outing, but I got to tell you, Bob is really excited. We've met with him. I've met with him a couple times now, and truly excited to have Pensacola getting back on. This is furthest way out on the Panhandle, so we're really stretching it and looking forward to everything that's going out there. Bob, welcome, and welcome all the folks from Pensacola. Glad to be able to have something on the table for you. On the 25th, we have the Panama City Beach Cars and Coffee. On the 25th, we also have Panama City Group is going to have lunch at Port St. Joe, which is the residence of Chris and Margaret Schroeder. So come on out and join them. The Schroeders are opening up their home. There'll be a luncheon there in Port St. Joe. So looking forward to that. That's really pretty cool. And then same thing on July 25th. We have three things on the 25th. Florida SunCoast chapter, along with the ZSCCA chapter, breakfast in Bradenton. And I think I'll be able to make it up that far up the coast at least to take that in. Let me jump ahead. Something really pretty cool that's coming out of the woodworks in August. There's other events between the 25th of July and August, but I want to jump ahead because this is a mystery drive out Zolfo Springs area. We're going to, I think, end up at the Pioneer Restaurant, which is cash only. Just put that out there for you. But we've been there before. What an amazing service. What amazing menu, and the prices are just like yesterday. It's really pretty cool. Just the old-fashioned, been around for years, just a great place to jump in and have a bite for lunch. So it's going to be a lot of fun. So watch for that. You need to make sure you RSVP, because it is, we have to tell the restaurant exactly how many folks are coming. So make sure you RSVP for that, and RSVP for the other things too, so we know how to plan accordingly throughout. A lot of things going on. Here we are, middle of the summer, sort of in the lull, as they say, people coming and going and all that kind of stuff, but still some really fun things and a lot of good turnout. So don't miss the events. I started to say bring a sweater, but I don't think you need a sweater in July. But bring your fan or something, your individual fan or something, but keep it cool. But until then, we hope to see you out. Come on out and join us. Get off that sofa. There's no mileage on the sofa. So come on out and join us. And until then, we always say happy motoring, y'all. See you soon. Thanks. Bye.